Our next guest believes AI returns will justify all the hype. Tech investor Gene Munster is managing partner at Deepwater Asset Management. Gene, great to have you with us. I know that you've been listening into our conversation. At what point do you get concerned, if enterprise spend pulls back at all, that the AI spend will also pull back, especially as we are sort of in the early stages of this whole thing and we may not see what the returns are on investment at this point?
Melissa, I think any pullback would largely be noise. And I think this whole conversation needs to start with some context. We've used adjectives to describe what this transformation from AI is. The whole panel is optimistic. Most people are optimistic, but I think most people are still understating what the significance of this is.
Expansion, valuation, and partnerships. Palantir has constantly evolved as a software company specializing in leveraging big data for actionable insights. With a robust software-as-a-service model, it maintains a close partnership with the U.S. government, a key contributor to over 50% of its revenue. Palantir plays a pivotal role in decision-making processes by transforming vast datasets into valuable insights. How will these strengths propel Palantir's trajectory in the years to come?
Just firstly, in terms of Palantir, so we've had 3 straight quarters now where they've posted profits. So we're looking pretty good in that respect. But in terms of getting the market to believe in the Palantir story, we've seen obviously a run-up of late, but to really believe in the story, what's it going to take?
I think this is an inflection point call. I mean, if you look, this is the Messi of AI, in my opinion. And what you're seeing with AIP and their AI platform, I think it's a tidal wave of demand that they're starting to see around the corner. And that's really our call here, that it's probably the best pure play AI name in terms of them monetizing, not just on the government side, but on the enterprise side when it comes to AI. And I think we saw this. It's an inflection point quarter where this remains, in our opinion, one of the core AI names over the coming years.
The street journalist Rob Linehan believes that Palantir Technologies has made significant strides in the tech industry. While Palantir's core business revolves around assisting the U.S. government with counterterrorism efforts, it has expanded its services to include data management for large corporations. Linehan highlights the surge in revenue, especially after the launch of OpenAI's ChatGPT in December 2022, which boosted AI activity and contributed to Palantir's success. In February, Palantir reported fourth-quarter earnings that surpassed analysts' expectations, with sales reaching $608.4 million. CEO Alex Karp expressed pride in Palantir's performance, particularly in the U.S. commercial sector, citing a remarkable 70% year-on-year growth in Q4. Karp emphasized the company's role in supporting the U.S. military, including operational involvement in Ukraine and Israel following significant events in 2023. Additionally, Palantir recently announced a partnership with Oracle to sell cloud and AI services jointly, expanding its reach and capabilities in the tech market. This collaboration involves moving Palantir's Foundry workloads to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure and making its intelligence and defense tool, Gotham, deployable across Oracle's distributed cloud. With Oracle's extensive experience in data management and cloud services, this partnership positions Palantir for further growth and innovation in the tech industry. He underscores Palantir's increasing significance in the tech landscape, particularly after its designation as an awardable vendor for the Chief Digital and Artificial Intelligence Office's Tradewinds Solutions Marketplace on April 17th. This marketplace serves as a crucial platform addressing the Department of Defense's challenges in AI, machine learning, and data analytics. Palantir's AI Mission Command capability and its predictive maintenance and precision sustainment suite have been integrated into this marketplace, bolstering its capabilities in supporting critical defense missions. Looking ahead, Palantir is slated to announce its first quarter earnings on May 6th, with analysts anticipating a notable increase in profit and revenue compared to the previous year. The Street Pro Stephen Guilfoyle expresses confidence in Palantir's future, emphasizing its impressive cash flow performance, which surged to $712 million for the 12 months ended in late December, tripling from 2022. Guilfoyle identifies Palantir as a cash flow beast and highlights potential price movements based on technical indicators, suggesting a support level of around $18. This comprehensive analysis underscores Palantir's promising trajectory and investment potential for the future. Meanwhile, a YouTube investor/analyst shared their insights on Palantir's recent performance and future prospects. They highlighted the stock's pullback and suggested that it might be an opportune time to consider buying the dip. The analyst noted that Palantir stock had declined by 20% since its highs in early March and pointed out key technical indicators such as the 200-day simple moving average and the relative strength index. Despite the recent pullback, the analyst expressed optimism about Palantir's long-term growth potential, especially considering its strategic partnerships and recent developments. He discussed significant announcements, such as Palantir's partnership with Fujitsu to address societal challenges using AI and data integration capabilities. Additionally, the analyst mentioned Palantir's involvement in defense projects, such as the U.S. Army's Next-Generation Titan program and collaborations with Hyundai on unmanned surface vessels. These developments indicate Palantir's expanding role in critical sectors and its potential to capitalize on emerging opportunities. The analyst also touched upon Palantir's recent designation as an awardable vendor for the Chief Digital and AI Office's Tradewinds Solutions Marketplace, highlighting the company's increasing relevance in addressing defense-related challenges. Furthermore, they discussed Palantir's focus on improving its business operations and customer services, as evidenced by its partnership with Lowe's and the positive impact on lead processing efficiency and revenue growth. The analyst emphasized the importance of monitoring Palantir's revenue growth trajectory and expressed confidence in its ability to deliver strong financial performance in the coming years. He highlighted analyst estimates projecting significant revenue and earnings growth, underscoring Palantir's potential to create value for investors in the long run. Now, did you know that analysts predict that Palantir Technologies could soar to a $48 price target? InvestorPlace highlights Palantir's evolution into an AI-enabled software provider, emphasizing its crucial role in cyber defense services amidst unstable international relations. With recent geopolitical events in mind, they suggest considering Palantir's potential as a defense technology play in 2024. The recent software deal with Oracle adds fuel to the optimism. The Street Pro analyst Bruce Kamick raised Palantir's price target from $22 to $48, citing the momentum in share prices over the past year. However, some investors may question Palantir's valuation metrics, which exceed sector median multiples. Despite this, the Oracle partnership is expected to enhance Palantir's value in the long term. In uncertain times, Palantir emerges as a crucial player in the defense sector. They encourage investors to conduct due diligence on Palantir, emphasizing its history of providing government entities with critical data analytics and cyber defense services. The company's USS defense asset role is highlighted, underscoring its significance in an unstable world. While optimism is warranted, they advise investors to consider realistic near-term price targets for Palantir stock. Instead of fixating on the ambitious $48 target, investors are urged to evaluate price targets of $27.50 and $30 before anticipating further surges. But before we move on, we just want to thank you for watching this far. Meanwhile, according to other analysts, let's look at what Palantir stock will look like in 10 years. Palantir Technologies has seen its shares surge nearly 150% in the past year, riding the wave of the artificial intelligence boom. While hardware companies like Nvidia dominate early profits, Palantir's focus on software could be key in the coming decade. One factor contributing to Palantir's potential future success is its software-as-a-service business model. This model offers recurring revenue through subscription fees, making scalability easier. Additionally, Palantir benefits from a strong relationship with the U.S. government, with over 50% of its revenue coming from government contracts. The company's ties to the U.S. government, including funding from the CIA's venture capital arm and security clearances for many employees, create a significant economic moat around its government contracting business. This moat could help Palantir maintain its competitive edge over the long term. In the next 10 years, analysts believe Palantir stock could continue to soar as it leverages its position in defense and law enforcement sectors to introduce transformative AI technology. With a solid business model and strong government partnerships, Palantir is poised for potential long-term growth and success in the tech industry. In addition to its current market presence, Palantir could significantly expand its reach over the next decade. Despite hopes for global peace, geopolitical tensions persist in regions like Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and East Asia. This has prompted U.S. allies to leverage AI technology for strategic advantages. Palantir has capitalized on this trend by securing contracts with countries like Ukraine and Israel, supporting military operations and war-related missions. While such deals carry political and reputational risks, CEO Alex Karp remains optimistic about their potential benefits, even amid employee resignations over the company's stance on certain issues. Despite these challenges, Palantir's financial performance remains strong, with fourth quarter revenue increasing by 20% year over year to $608 million. Notably, U.S. commercial revenue experienced remarkable growth, surging by 70% to $131 million. However, the company's current valuation, with a price-to-earnings multiple of 66, may give some investors pause. Nonetheless, Palantir's growing profitability and dominance in government contracting suggest it could continue outperforming the market over the next decade. So, as we wrap up, it's clear that Palantir holds a strong position in the market and has significant potential for long-term growth. With its software-as-a-service model and close ties to government contracts, Palantir has demonstrated resilience and adaptability in navigating complex geopolitical landscapes. Despite challenges like valuation concerns, the company's robust financial performance and expanding market presence indicate promising investment prospects for the next decade. So, do you think Palantir's trajectory will continue upward over the next 10 years? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And that's it. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, if you want to know about Palantir, just click this video right here. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.